Enabling or disabling music share on the Galaxy S24 allows you to control whether others can connect to and share music with your device via Bluetooth. Here's how it's done. First, tap the home key to return to your home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on connections. Next, tap on Bluetooth. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on by tapping the toggle switch. Then, tap on the More button at the top right and select Advanced Settings from the options. Find and tap on Music Share. You can turn Music Share on or off by toggling the switch. At the bottom part of the screen, you'll find additional settings where you can choose who to share your music with, either contacts only or everyone. You can also set up a permission requirement before connecting. Once you're done, you can tap the back key to return to the settings menu. Finally, tap the home button to go back to the home screen. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.